This casting is essentially an El Rey special, which was a Formula-style racer originally released by Mattel in 1974. They did some minor retooling of the nose, and it was released as the part of the P.A.C.K.5 set. This one is a 1975 release. It's also been released under the name of the Malibu Grand Prix and also as the Lightning Gold. It came with a variety of wheel types from red lines to Real Riders. The casting was retooled to include the original nose configuration and some added detail. It was released in 2011 for a couple years. I have the decals for this and I'm just looking to restore it, so stick around. So there you have it. Obviously, I had to change out the red lines and put split bearings on it. and regular red lines. Otherwise, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Stick around afterwards here. I'm going to give away a wind splitter. This is Time Rider. Merry Christmas to everybody if I don't put out a video before then. Hey, it's the Gargoyles Den. Congratulations. Shoot me an email at timerider2000@gmail.com. Let me know where you want it sent, and I'll get it in the mail.